So as you can see, we've got the crystal apple, which is obviously paler, and then the crystal lemon. Now they both taste, to me, they both taste the same. It's obviously just the colour difference. It's slightly different shape, but that could be just with growing differently. They are quite a seedy cucumber, so there are lots of seeds in them. I know some people like the cucumbers that grow like the Telegraph, which is hardly any seeds in at all, if any. But this is quite a seedy one. You can actually save the seeds in them and use them again the year after, so that's quite a bonus if you just want to pick a few of those out, dry the seeds, and then you can grow them on again. But really nice and crisp, really nice fresh strong cucumber flavour, and they look different in a salad as well. So someone's asked me, Eat the Country has asked me to juggle them, so here we go. Now I can't, is it called juggling if you're just doing it with two? I don't know, it's just passing a cucumber from one hand to another, I suppose, isn't it? But I can't do three, so you'll have to just have this. I mean, I'm not going to get on Britain's Got Talent with it, but let's try and get, I don't want to, I'm going to get that drop down there now. Oh, I can't get to you. Right, we're winning from the top. So I could just cut the metal. It's like one of the machines, isn't it, the arcade, you're trying to grab something, grab a toy. Oh, come on. Got you. And there we go. I've got them. I had to put the phone down to try and get the other one, so just prise this apart a little bit. And then, yeah, there we go. They look good, don't they? Really pleased with the size of those this year. They're doing really, really well this year. Best year we've ever had for cucumbers. So I don't know. In fact, I know what I've done differently. I've added more manure. So that'll be one to do next time. Got some manure. So that's the round cucumbers picked. There's plenty more growing down there, so but I wanted to show you what I've got so far. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and a crystal apple lemon. I keep getting them wrong. Crystal lemon. So yeah, I'm really happy with all those. Cucumber sandwiches, here we come. I'm now going to put them in the kitchen, and I'm sure they're just going to get eaten because my eldest anyway especially likes cucumber, so he'll just grab one and just eat it like an apple. So yeah, all good. Can't wait.